Teacher's Day to all the teachers!
Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers in the world, and thank you so much for being our second parents.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers. Thank you for all of your efforts to teach us.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, and thank you for your effort and love to us, even if we are so the worst children maybe that you handle, but you still love and care about us.
Teacher's Day, mga teachers, especially sa mga CI, kung sa mga, even though nga isod kayo ni Sabton, pero inyo rin kung nasabot. Salamat nga wala man yung ipabayaan, especially Ma'am Abby, Sir Jet, Ma'am Sinsal, Ma'am Marian, Ma'am Jewel, especially sa mga Bayochem, mga maestro nga si Sir Richard, nga katulong sa mga, so nga isod kayo ni Sabton, yan yung mga ipasabot sa mga chemistry and so the rest. Gusto mga teachers, thank you, nga wala yung gibiyaan. Thank you once again. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers out there and to our CI and especially to Ma'am Lorna. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. So, Happy Teacher's Day sa lahat ng mga CI and also especially kay Ma'am Hamilton. Thank you, Ma'am, sa pagtulong sa lako na pagkawa ng bagay.
Happy teachers to all teachers, especially ni Sir Edie nga pugi kayo.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers! Thank you for your support and hard work!
Happy Teacher's Day sa tanang mga teachers out there na grabe ang ilang pagpaningkamot, pagtudlo, ang ilang mga sakripisyo. And we pray nga continue ka mo sa pagkali ni Jesus, ang ating Master Teacher. Once again, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day sa mga teachers all around the world, and also sa mga teachers din sa PAC, mga butan, mga gwapo, grabe dyan. And Happy Teacher's Day usab sa mga education students dira nga grabe dyan pa rin kamot sa ilang mga tagsa nga demo. Ang inyo ang hard work, inyong passion is maka-inspire po sa uban nga tao. And also, ang teacher, muna siya ang pinaka-noblest profession mo na. Happy Teacher's Day to all.
Happy Teacher's Day. Konnichiwa.
Happy Teacher's Day! Thank you so much, teachers, for all the sacrifice and the love that you hatag sa mga. Thank you so much.
To all teachers, public and private, okay? Happy Teacher's Day. Halloween kayo.
Happy Teacher's Day sa
among Daddy Eddie and Mommy Melody and to all teachers.
Okay, first of all, thank you for learning a wonderful moment to us. And again, thank you.
All teachers, thank you for guiding us. Happy Teacher's Day sa mga guro na nandito sa PAC. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang paggabay at pagtuturo sa amin. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hi to all teachers out there. Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng mga teachers na walang sawang magbigay aral sa mga estudyante. Salamat kaayo sa mga kuan ka na continue nga pag-atag o mga knowledge para may mayong kaugmawan ng tanang estudyante. Mabuhay kayo mga teachers. Long life in the earth. And God bless you all on Teacher's Day again.
To all teachers out there, happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat. Sana po ay patuloy kayo magbibigay motibasyon sa mga estudyante. Once again, happy Teacher's Day po.
Hi to all teachers out there. Happy Teacher's Day. Sana hindi kayo magsawang magturo sa aming mga estudyante kahit minsan ay pasaway kami. Once again, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers out there. And thank you for teaching us and guiding us. And stay safe.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers! Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtuturo!
Happy Teacher's Day!
And to all teachers, thank you so much for being a bridge to our success! Bye!
Happy Teacher's Day! So, Happy Teacher's Day sa tanang teachers karong adlaw and padayon sa inyong pagkabutan and give more knowledge sa mga students like us, and thank you kayo sa inyong perseverance sa pagtudlo sa mga bisan pag daghang kayong mga buluyagan.
Happy Teacher's Day! Ma'am and sir, thank you so much for being with us in our academic track, in our journey here as a students, and we are very thankful for being such a wonderful tutor to us and also to inspire us to grow in our academic track. And thank you so much for being with us, and we are hoping that you will guide us always as we continue our journey here as a student in Philippine National College.
Happy Teacher's Day! Thank you for teaching us about the lesson and for shaping us into our mind, not only as mind, but also our character.
Happy Teacher's Day!